Do you still pay for an electricity bill with solar panels? Some people think that going solar wipes out your bill completely, but is that actually true? I'm Mitch from Big Dog Solar, and we've installed over 13,000 systems all across the Mountain West, and I've seen just about every kind of system that there is. In this video, I'm going to clear up what really happens with your electric bill after going solar. We're going to cover how the billing system typically works, why some people still have a bill, and how to get the most value out of your system. This is important because if you don't understand how this works, then even if your system works great, you might still be in for a surprise. Stick around so you know exactly how this works and you'll have the right expectations going in. Number one, a connection fee. Most utility companies, if not all of them, have some sort of connection fee, and it can range from $5 to $20 or maybe even more. And regardless if you go solar or not, just to be connected to the grid, you're going to have to pay that fee. Number two, winter or cloudy days. Not every day is perfectly sunny, so on those days where there are extra clouds or in the winter season, you're going to have a dip in the production. That's accounted for, that's normal. You're going to be drawing power from the grid, which is why that takes us to step three, net metering. Not all electric companies have the same net metering program, but generally they're going to give you credit for what you overproduce and they're going to charge you for what you use. So that equals out over those cloudy days or winter months. To recap, you'll likely have a bill at some point, but it should be much less than it ever was before. If you want to find out if solar makes sense for your own home, we actually have a really cool solar score quiz that just does this really quick evaluation. And if you ever have any other questions, feel free to give us a call.